Now that you've chosen your infographic template, it's time to start exploring the Piktochart website. There's a little P icon in the upper left-hand corner. If you click on this, it will take you back to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will see the template that you have chosen, as well as a Create New button on the top of your page. We're going to go ahead and click Edit on the template that we just chose. This will take you back to your infographic editing page. On the left-hand side, you will see several important icons: graphics, upload, background, and text. On the top here of your infographic, you will see a save button, a preview button, and a download button. Your Piktochart does save automatically. However, I like to go in periodically and save it so I don't lose any important information. The preview button is a great way of viewing your infographic before you print it or save it as a PDF. You also have a download and a share button, which we will learn more about in the next module. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and take some time exploring the Piktochart website.